Good evening everybody, welcome back to the channel. Tonight we are looking at Nvts stock, this one as a Friday up by 7.17%. We're going to be speaking about this and I'll be giving you all of my thoughts in the course of the video. If it sounds good, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Do remember though, I am not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. Now first thing to note here, we are seeing this one up. It's very good to see. It does appear to be the case as of recent that we could be beginning to find a support right around levels at 12.45 and stronger supports possibly around the 12.60 mark. My hope is that this continues into next week, which of course will be a great solid base for this one to see continued pushes. If it does, I'm then looking to break above the 1370 range. If you can push 1370, it's 1390, and if you can break that, it's going on to numbers such as 1425, then possibly 1485, then possibly $15, 10, 15, 15, and 1550. These are my levels into next week that I'm looking for. Thank you guys, goodbye for now.